In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tool in SolidWorks Swept Boss Base. Before we dive deep into this, if you want access to my free courses, this is sketching, part design, assembly design, surfacing design, sheet metal, finite element analysis, you're going to get this. As you can see, all of these free courses here. Just click the link below and it's totally free. Now let's get started with the Swept Boss Base. So the first thing that we have the sketch, right? So this Swept Boss Base tool you can find here if you go to the features, and you're going to find it here. In general, what we can do with a Swept Boss Base. So we have some pad and we have some profile. And now we want to extrude this profile through this pad, right? And this pad can be some kind of a spline, as you can see here. And that's not possible to do with Extrude Boss Base. That's why we have to use Swept Boss Base. And I'm going to show you some variations, okay? So the easiest one is if you go here to the Swept Boss Base, and now you have two things that you have to select here, right? You have the profile and pad. You can use sketch profile. So you can create some sketch that has specific geometry, or you can use circular profile. So first we're going to start with a circular profile. So circular profile, we can choose the diameter. For example, let's go with 10. And the only thing we have to select here is pad. So we're going to select this one here. And now you can see the preview here, right? So this is 10 millimeters. We can increase this, as you can see, like this. Also, you have option here, thin feature, if you want to create a shell, right? And then also you can create here thickness, like this. And here also you can change direction. You want to go from inside or you want to go to the outside. You can also go one direction, so it's extruded to one direction, mid plane, or to direction. So basically, this is what you can do. We can click OK. So yeah, that's the first option. This is if we use a circular profile. Now we can create our own profile. And then we can extrude this profile through this pad, right? So for example, I created this profile, this one here, and now we can use this one. So we're going to delete this. We don't need this one. And we're going to go to the Swept Boss Base again. And now instead of going here circular profile, we're going to go with sketch profile. So first we have to select our profile. So it's going to be this one. Then we have to select our pad. So it's going to be this one, right? And now you can see the shape, right? Also, what you can do here, you can also go with a thin feature if you want. But now let's just click OK. And this is our shape. Now, here's the thing. If we cut here and we have a section, this sketch won't be the same as the sketch here, right? There will be some variations. If we want to control that a section will be the same, we can use guide curves. So we can go here to the Swept Boss Base, edit feature, and I created here two guide curves, right? So here we have guide curves, and we're going to select this one and this one here, like this. And now, as you can see, we can now control our sections along this pad, right? This is how we can be more precise if we use Swept Boss Base. Also, what we can do, we can display the curvature. So let me show you. So if we go here, back to the edit, and now here down, we have curvature display. So it can be like a mesh preview like this. It can be zebra stripes like this. It can be curvature comps like this, right? Let's just click zebra stripes, and this is how we can now display our curvature, right? So yeah, basically this is it. This is how you can use a tool Swept Boss Base. If you want to learn more about SolidWorks tools, whether that's part design, assembly, drawing, sheet metal, surfacing, FEA, just click the link below and you're going to get free access to this course. See you in another video.